This is the new Nokia E75, its latest E-series device. You'll see it has a standard 12-key keypad on the front, running latest version of S60. On the left side, we've got a micro USB port and the micro SD hatch. Nothing along the bottom. And on the right side, you'll see the camera key, the volume toggles, as well as an application key. And at the top, this is a nice addition to the E-series, a regular 3.5mm headset jack. Of course, the E75's claim to fame is that it has a sliding sideways keyboard. Slide it sideways and you see a full QWERTY keyboard there, which I'm happy to report feels pretty comfortable and good. And of course, it auto-rotates the screen to match the orientation of the handset. So there's a good look at the keyboard. You can see the keys are relatively flat, but I thought they had good travel and feedback and felt quite good. So it's a thin form factor, even though it's a slider. It's still a nice phone, and it obviously takes on the design language of the current E-series phones like the E71 and the E51. So there it is, the new Nokia E75, its latest E-series smartphone.